Oh, this is where these two got married.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Around the corner.
Round here. Let's have a look. Oh, here we are, look.
Yeah, down here.
This is Brighton.
Where we got married? Not here.
I can smell chips. What's the ID? 38 what?
What do you mean?
It's recorded.
That's good.
Little shoppers and tourists around. Little shoppers and tourists around. Very expensive shops around here.
Remember the film Quadrophenia?
Quadrophenia, yeah. Yeah, Quadrophenia Alley, an old shop. Little film there. Load of tourists.
Here we are, Brighton Seafront. Who's going for a swim? I'm up for swimming. She was there. Are we not going to the chip stuff? No, we're crossing. Yeah, cost twice as much, but why not, you know? Oh, look at this. Brighton Seafront. Not been here for a while. There's Freddie. Oh, paddleboard. Who wants to go paddleboarding? I've got to do it for my fans.
Yeah. I'll do it, I'll film it.
Who wants a whippy? Whippies are on me.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, the toy.
Queue here. Oh, are we getting 4 or what? What are you doing?
Happy hour between 4 and 5, like 50 off any Mr. Whippy.
Happy hour.
Happy hour between 4
Happy
and
hours
5.
buy one get one free. When did it change to 50p off? It says wait here. Oh, it says wait there as well. Are you the same? Yeah, they're the same, look. You're the same, aren't you? Oh, I'm more flavour. I don't want Mr. Whippy anyway. There's more flavours that side than you can do this side. Come and choose what you want. Right. This is a trick, you see. Where's my card? I can't find it.
Where's my card? Oh, yeah.
That old chestnut.
Oh, it's toffee.
Toffee?
Yeah, medium toffee with Mark.
He wants a toffee.
You're not having a Mr. Whippy?
With a flake?
No, it's right, sir.
No flake.
We'll do it 4 o'clock.
Not any strawberry? Is it extra? Not any strawberry.
Oh, the sauce.
Yeah, me. When I came here 40 years ago, you had strawberry sauce. And caramel.
She wasn't born then.
We haven't seen each other about 40 years.
Yeah.
Down here tonight.
Yeah, so it says, well, be serious, we were here 40 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Whippy. With sauce.
Yeah, was
I
it?
think it was less. Yeah, probably. More like 49p. I just paid $2.50 for a slush coffee. I think they were 30p or something.
They were 50p or something, yeah.
Anyway. Yeah. So, these were. Oh, damn. You did. No, I should have done that. It was a trick. Getting them to pay me. Thank you. Even the flakes are shrank, or have I got bigger?
Yeah.
Look at that, look. Mr. Whippy. Yeah. Lovely, drobbly.
stand though, and it's like. Oh.
I've just got to stream myself live in the sea. Every different sea I go to, I've got to.
Yeah. We can't get back down this day.
I should have worn my shoes here. I was hurting all the way down. I could have worn my shoes. No, no, I said I should have worn them.
Yeah, you should have kept on, didn't you?
Yeah. Right. Still down again. I'm going in the sea again.
Oh, the Lord. It's over down here.
That's cold.
Come up.
Like you don't brush his time. It's cold.
It's sore. Right, fuck it. Right.
That'd be nice.
Why is it still sore than any stroke?
Like you jellyfish.
Yeah.
Didn't take them no jellyfish, did you?
It wouldn't stream anyway. It's only texting out here for some reason.
Don't put up in there, holding your shorts up, holding the phone.
I'm living in shoes instead of watching me in paint.
Sorry?
Look, he's run away with my shoes, look. Bournemouth better. I can't even be bothered putting socks on it. Don't come to Brighton Beach, go to Bournemouth. Sand in Bournemouth, go to New Haven and try and get on that beach. Tell the French where to go, where to stick their beach. It's our beach. How do the French get it? We've got a big fort there, protected, a big fort protected during the war. War finishes, big fort there. Somebody comes in and takes to our beach.
Yeah.
I think we should get cannons back up there.
Yeah.
Margaret Thatcher sold it to the States.
Oh, we had it back then. I was on the beach back then. Right, this big building up here, it is the Grand Hotel. It was bombed when Maggie Thatcher was in it. 12th October 1984. They managed to redo it now, as you see. The next door is the cinema. That looks a bit of a mess. No, that's not the cinema. That's the cinema. That's the conference centre. That's the Grand Hotel. The Hilton over there. A bird just shot at my head. Up there we've got the big 360 tower thing.
Oh, 360.
High 360. Right. So if you look behind us, you've got a point. There somewhere. There.
360. There's the old West Pier.
It's just burnt down. I can't even see your finger in it. There you go. Yeah. Burnt down.
Burnt down.
Old West Pier.
Along as Grand Hotel bombed. West Pier bombed.
Bombed. We're going to go on that later.
Bombed the West Pier.
There's a lot of bombing going on around here.
They just got caught fire.
Photo bombing.
Yeah.
Photo bombing, video bombing. Yeah. There's a Brighton 360 tower. It'd be a very big shot right up, wouldn't it?
Yeah. so long. I could do that because it's inside.
Yeah.
Height, but
I'll still be a bit funny because at Blackpool Tower there's a glass thing.
yeah, we done that Spinnaker Tower, Portsmouth. That's quite nice. That was alright. A lift, wasn't it? Go up a lift and come out and like glass.
Anyway, that's that.